In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Marble Rivals DirectX while not supported on your system. For this, you can consider these steps. Number 1. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirement for Marble Rivals. This includes your graphic card, CPU, RAM, and operating system. Number 2. Download the latest drivers for your graphic card. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues. Visit the website of your graphic card manufacturers like Nvidia, AMD, or Intel to download the latest drivers. Number 3. Check the integrity of your game file. Some game file might be corrupted. Use the game's built-in verification tool or the platform's verification option, like Steam, Epic Games Store. Number 4. Try running Marble Rivals in compatibility mode. Right-click on the game's executable, go to Properties. Then go to Compatibility and select a previous Windows version. Number 5. Check for window update. Ensure your operating system is up to date. Number 6. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.